Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the batch plot. In this tutorial I have explained with the layouts and the models and some of the sheet set manager example, and let's get started. And go into the batch plot. After the you can observe the click on the batch plot, you can observe the publish one of the dialog box or different types of dialog box will appear on the different types of features. I want to explain with the publish to PDF in this tutorial, and you can click on the PDF and PDF preset of the AutoCAD PDF general documentation and the high quality print and the smallest file, and the web models are appears. I am selecting the AutoCAD PDF. You want to click on the drawing PDF, you can also click on the drawing PDF you can to select, and the AutoCAD PDF and the unsaved drawing. This is the unsaved drawing is showing on the sheet name. You can observe on the 3D debug and the page setup. Want to print the file. I'm deleting the file. I want to import the sum of the files to explain, and go into the publish options of the PDF publish options. You can observe the where you want to save these publish files of the document files. You can publish. I'm selecting the desktop and click on the select. I want to all of the files on save to the desktop, and go to the source drawing and the drawing locations and the layout name. All of these sheet details will expense, and go into the plot stamp. Already explained the plot of the single plot, already explained. You want to give the different types of plot publishing on the documents. You have any of the names you want, you can create. For example, I am clicking on the add option and the industrial CAD tutorials like this. I am creating the one of the name and click on OK. You want to click on the edit, or you want to delete this file, you can also delete, and simply click on the right click on the delete key. It will delete. I selected the industrial CAD tutorials, like they want to print all of the files to protect any of the privacy of the drawings. This plot stamp will help you, or not only the text file. You can observe on the load option. You can import some of the images also, like logos also you can place by using the AutoCAD files by using this publish options on all of the files at once. You can by using the check the include plot stamp. All of the files are created, and click on the selected drawings and click on the desktop and this PC on the local disk D where the files are AutoCAD 2016 is installed on the program files, and go into the program files and search for the Autodesk and search for the Autodesk 2016, and go on to the sample on the any of the software have the sample drawings are available of the industrial CAD drawings. You can observe on the civil architectural manufacturer. You can observe like this. You want to create any of the layouts or import any of the layout models without bothering all of the things, or without gathering all of the details. You can some of the samples you can observe, and you can observe by using these detailed drawings. You can create the different types of models, and this is the batch plot of the dialog box, and go into the open. I want to these files are there already explained, and go into the local disk where the files are there AutoCAD 2016, and go into the sheet sets. You can observe the manufacturing drawings. I'm selecting the sum of the drawings too for explain how to print the batch plots in the one PDF file, and selecting the 4 files, for example 1 2 3 4 by using the control option. I'm selecting like this and control key, and select the drawing DWG and click on the open option on the right side. You can observe the S and the file read only, and every drawing it has the one of the dialog box AutoCAD alert, and click on the S. All of the 4 drawings will opens. Some of the instant time, and some of the 4 drawings are completed. I am deleting the old drawing of the drawing one where you want to create on the AutoCAD file open. The 4 files are there. You can observe on the 4 files. This is the industrial, some of the industrial drawings of the with some of the layers are also there. You can observe on the batch plot. After think you want to remove any of the drawings, you can to remove. I want to save the 4 files. This is the 4 files of the 4 drawings are there. On the layout option I will create by using the models also. I will explain this tutorial. This is the layout drawings. It is saved on the layout models, then only it is showing like this. I will explain how to import the models also, and this is the 4 files I created, and go into the batch plot. These 4 drawings are required in the one PDF file and the batch plot, and no errors are there. You can click on the status. You can observe on the import. You can also import these files and select the PDF and the AutoCAD PDF high quality print. After the 2 select the publish for and the PDF presets and sheet list none, and go on to the publish options and select the desktop. Already explained in the previous dialog box what you want to put, the check the marks, already explained, and go into the AutoCAD PDF high quality and click on the publish option on the below and click on the desktop where you want to save the files. You want to change the name, you want to change the names also. I'm remaining like this is the one PDF file and the 4 drawings are required. And by using the deleting all of the text, I'm selecting the 4 drawings and click on the no. You want to currently search, click on the no option, and some of the time is required to print all of the files by using this software, and click on the close option and publish job in progress on the right side on the below. You can observe the publish. After the creating the publish, all of the drawings are published. You can observe the one of the file is created on the desktop on the PDF format. Wait for some while and you can observe the 4 layout drawings. I will explain with the models also and one of the sheet set created with one of the example in this tutorial. See the full tutorial how to, this tutorial is very helpful for the beginners to how to create the batch plot with 3 topics I covered in this tutorial. And see, you can observe the file is created, the 4 drawings are observed on the one PDF file. You can observe on the sheet set bookmarks of the details, or also you can observe with the one of the another file also created. You can observe the 4 files are created in the one PDF file format. This is by using the layout models. I will explain with the model how to create this. This is the one of the file is created. You can observe, you can select on the tab. I am using the PDF Acrobat Pro DC. You can also observe these files on the Adobe Acrobat, and you can observe the one of the topic is completed. And next go on to the second topic of how to create the batch plot models onto the drawings. You can have the in multiple number of files. You can simply open all of the files and give the models. I want to import these files. For example, go on to the drive roller. You can observe the different types of models, and you can observe on the file. This is the layout models, and go on to the don't open and simply go on to the base plate and select the export layout to model. You want to export this layout to model, simply on the, you can observe on the layout tab. You can observe I'm doing all of the same operations to all of the drawings, and click on the desktop. You can observe the files where I saved also, I will show you. And go into the export to layout model, simply click on the desktop and click on the save, and it will dialog box will say don't open. You want to open the file, you can also open, and the 4 files are created of the model and the layout is converted to model. I will explain with how to print the models. If you want to print all of the files in the single format, model is should not use, because in the model the drawing is not imperfect. You can observe on the drawings, you can see like this on the layout on the model. You can see, you can observe on the models on the driver roller, assembly roller. You can observe on the model. Then only I'm creating to the export the layout to the models. I am deleting all of the 4 files if the one of the topic is completed, and next topic is I want to explain with the models. And click on the AutoCAD and the open and the drawing, and go on to the desktop where the 4 files are located, and select all of the 4 files and click on the open. You can observe the 4 files are observed on the top of the tool on the start up on the right side. This is the files. You want to change some of the layers, you can also change by using, go on to the home option, and any of the files is there. You can observe the layout as previous compared to the layout model, and this after converting to import to the layout model, you can observe the difference also. And go on to the frame, I'm going to the by layer because the objects are not visible. Then only I'm changing some of the layers, like all of the drawings. I'm selecting the all drawing and go on to the by layer option and select this. I'm creating, you want to give the any of the pick the any of the colors you want. You give the all of the files. For example purpose, I'm giving the all of the layers like this to white, and text in only in blue color only. You want to change the text in white color also, you can change by using the layer properties. You can observe the 4 drawings are converted the by layers. This is the models, so the 4 models are created of the industrial, some of the drawings with the examples. I am explaining all of the tutorials for the beginners, and these are the 4 files in the model format. Then you can observe on the top on the home, you can observe the layers and the layer properties. After that, go on to the output. You can observe the batch plot. This is the 4 drawings you can observe on the top of the screen. and the 4 drawings of the top plate and the base plate and the roller assembly and the drive roller, and go into the output and simply click on the batch plot of the dialog box will appears. And some of the drawings are also you can observe then the 4 drawings with the some of the files and the no errors and the layout not initialized on the, you can observe on the previous one this layout not installed is not showing on the screen. You can observe on the layout. By using this model you could not adjust all of the drawings by using the models tabs. By single format of the plot you can observe the different types of drawings you want to readjust and to print. If you want to create any of the batch plots, nothing but the multiple files you want to create in a one file, the model drawings are not good to print all of the drawings. See, you cannot adjust the drawings. In the layout models you can simply you can save the model in the layout. You can simply print all of the multiple files and n number of files you can give without wasting of your time. This is the layout. You can observe the model and the difference between the layout and the model, explain how to print the files also explain this tutorial. And you want to create any of the sheet set by using the sheet set manager, you can create the different types of sheet sets also. By using the sheet sets you can print the different types of files. I will explain with the third topic with the sheet set manager also, and see the full tutorial. I'm creating the no, and all of the files I'm printing to the publish option. I will show you how compare with the layout models, layout drawings and the model drawings. I will show you with the example. All the 4 drawings files are saved on the desktop. You should prepare all of the drawings in the layout model, then you can print the multiple files. See, you can observe the model files are not in the proper position and the zooming is required. And 4 drawings PDF file already with the example of the layout models. You can save the files with the layout model. You can observe the difference between the two. By using the batch plot, the layout drawings are required and the sheet sets are required. And the sheet sets, you want to create the sheet set, already explained it to tutorial. And go into the third topic. This is the difference between the layout drawings and the model drawings. And go into the AutoCAD again, or close all of the drawings. You can observe the this is the sheet sets I created. This has the different types of 6 drawings are there. Already explained the 55th tutorial of the create new layouts and port layout to model and the sheet set manager and publish to print all by using the sheet set manager option on the manage tab. It is the tutorial for helpful for the beginners AutoCAD tutorial of the AutoCAD 2016 software. By using that, and go into the AutoCAD new sheet set, you can open on the double click, it will not opens. If after opening of the AutoCAD file you must import the file, or you must open the file of the where you want to create the file. You can observe I'm double click on that, it is not opening. And go on to the AutoCAD file. After opening the new file, it look like this is the format of the AutoCAD. Already explained the introduction to AutoCAD. And go into the open file and go into the sheet set. Where the sheet sets are there, it will visible only the sheet sets will avail, and select the sheet sets and go into the desktop and this PC, and where the files I want to where they created. I will show you where the file sheet set is located of the 55th tutorial of the AutoCAD basic tutorial. And go into the 55th how to draw a this is the not one. And go into the industrial CAD tutorials and the AutoCAD basic tutorials for the beginners. Here I saved the file in the 55th, and create layouts and import layout to model, and select the new sheet set already created and open. In this new sheet set manager, it has 6 types of drawings I created with some of the 2 layouts I created. On the 4 drawings are imported from the sample files on the AutoCAD 2016 what you are explaining from the previous, and these are the drawings. You can observe on the screen the 4 drawings are 6 drawings are available. You can simply double click on the drawings. You can, that's 3 drawings I'm opening by using the sheet set manager. You want to observe the sheet set manager or to create the sheet set and create the new ladder. You should watch the 55th tutorial of my previous video. You can observe the different types of sheet sets how to create. I've explained with the detailed explanation of the manufacturing. You can observe the publish on the PDF on the sheet set manager also. This will also explain my previous. You can observe the tutorial. You can reach all of the data from that. And this is the 3 drawings I created. By using the sheet sets also, the layout drawings are good because the status no errors are there. And go onto the desktop in the layout PDF and click on select and click on no. You can observe the 3 drawings and the model drawings and the layout and the sheet set. You want to create the batch plot drawings of the multiple drawings you have to print the files. Batchport required the sheet set manager is helpful for to print the multiple flights in the proper position, and you will save the files in layout models. It will helpful to prepare the drawings in the proper position, and the good positions also you can obtain by using this. You can observe all of the positions are good. You can observe the 3 drawings same as on the 4 drawings what I saved by using the layout models. And the model is not much good for to prepare the layout models. To prepare the batch multiple drawings, you want to adjust the drawings, and the time is a lot of time is required to adjust all of the drawings. If you create any of the drawing, you should save the file in the layout model. It will helpful for the future projections and how to print the files. This is the tutorial helpful for the beginners, and thanks for watching my tutorials.